This is a room tour of a suite at the Rio Hotel in Las Vegas, the Renovated Rio in Las Vegas. I booked this hotel room on June 8th of 2025. The Rio was completely renovated, at least one of the towers. I'm taking over by a new group who's going to try to make it a comeback. That group is part of Hyatt, and it's going to be part of the Hyatt collection. And I am a Hyatt globalist, so I was upgraded to this room from a traditional room. It's a completely renovated room. It's a very, very spacious room, and it's a corner room, so it has an amazing views of the mountains and of the Strip and of the Sphere. Now, the Rio is off the Strip, quite a bit off the Strip, so you really can walk. In my opinion, you really can't walk to the Strip from here. You'll have to take an Uber or a taxi, which is kind of a bummer because being part of the Strip when you're here in Vegas is kind of the main thing. The Rio, you get a good bargain. I actually booked this room with miles and with points, and it was just 8,000 points. If you had done traditional booking with dollars, you probably can get this room for about $75. It's completely renovated, it's very nice. The view is fantastic, like I said. It's separated, which a lot of the suites in Vegas sometimes are not. The bathtub looks nice because it's right there in front of the completely big windows and great space, but they did not renovate the top. So the top has rust all over the fixtures. In fact, it was so much that I actually ended up not using it because it was a little gross. I can't believe that they renovated this whole room so nicely with such amazing fixtures. Everything else is brand new, as you can see, but they did not take the effort of replacing the top. I find that completely incredible, and whoever made that decision should probably be fired, because I will probably not stay in this room again, even though it's so nice, simply because of the top. Anyway, so that's one thing. The rest of the room, I really, really like. They did a fantastic job with it. The rest of the hotel is kind of a mixture of new and old, but they're doing a good job overall, I think. So the bad thing about it is that it's off the Strip, and it's also, it's kind of in the process of getting better. And obviously the problem with the top is a big deal.